again at On Point Dyno. You guys may remember a couple weeks back we posted this car in pieces, and Sasha was kind of working on some parts and putting things together using the Vibrant parts. Today we're dyno tuning it.
Okay, get ready to do a pull. We're going to 7,000.
How many dyno pulls did you do right now? Like we're here for
I don't know. How many pulls did we do? Probably 20 or so?
20 pulls later, and the results?
Yeah, it's like mind-blowing, man.
You're happy with this?
I can't even believe it. We were hoping that with the dream was 500.
Yeah.
That was the dream, was we get 500 horsepower. And then we did a pull up to like, you know, I think we did our first pull was up to like 6,400. And 6,400 already made 500 horsepower.
Yeah, it sounded amazing too. Like it was
crazy, man. Yeah. And it carries from 6,000 to 7,500, and then it bumps up to 537 horsepower. For a naturally aspirated engine, V6 is like it's madness.
It's never heard of.
Yeah.
So what's next on the agenda?
Well, we're gonna get the car completed. You know, we got to go through the suspension, and we've got a new brake ABS system coming.
Yeah.
And so we got that all plumbed up, and we're gonna use a bunch of Vibrant components for all that stuff. And then we've got to build a flat floor and get the aero done and go see what kind of lap times this thing will do.
Well, you got a few more months before it gets warm, so
yeah. And then we got the hybrid system coming after that. So.
Yeah, we're excited for that. Even though we don't really do with that kind of stuff, it's just exciting to see this car get pushed that much more. So
now if we have 537 horsepower plus another 200 or so from the hybrid system, it'll be a pretty powerful. You know, considering it's not a time attack car, it's getting close to those real time attack power levels. So.
Speed Academy was mentioning these are bigger numbers than Porsche GT3.
Yeah. So this is now more power than your typical GT3 Cup car, and it's kind of approaching like the Porsche GT3, the GTD, like the Pro cars.
Yeah.
Which those cars have hundreds of thousands of dollars of budget in the engine builds. So. Considering it's a kind of a similar engine, they're both 6 cylinders, similar displacement.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to be even in that same ballpark.
Cool. Well, congratulations.
Thanks for your support.
Yeah, anytime, man. So we're gonna be back probably when Sasha drops the hybrid motor in here, and we'll catch him on the racetrack, I'm sure, as well.
Totally.
Cool. Subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. This is outside of the dyno. This is the intake and the exhaust for that whole facility. The car is currently running. It doesn't sound like anything. This is crazy.